Hello students, now next topic is metamorphosis. Today we will study about the metamorphosis. You know that newly born organisms are there which are hatched and after means which come out of the eggs and after which they get developed and continuously by development they get converted into the adults. Okay, even you have noticed then in like a human baby or a newly hatched birds, okay, they are similar. Their shape structure is similar to their parents, just after the birth as well as just after coming out of the eggshell. They are similar to their parents, they are lesser developed. Okay, so actually what happened, but in case of some animals like the butterfly, silkworm, frog, mosquitoes, insects are there, their young ones are very different from their adults. Okay, so there are so many different stages in their life by which the individuals get developed and afterwards become an adult. Okay, all the life stages are quite different from their adult, and this process in which means development take place, that is metamorphosis. So first of all, let's take the example of life cycle of mosquito as well as life cycle of frog. What happens in mosquito? Mosquito lays the eggs. Okay, adult mosquito lays eggs. These eggs means inside the eggs the yolk is there. Further it get converted into the larva. After hatching of eggs, larva is formed. The larva, it is quite different from the adult mosquito. Then the larva, it get developed into the pupa. Okay, pupa ये पानी में ही होता है. Afterwards the pupa, it get developed into the adult mosquito. So the students, what is there means all the just after the hatching of the eggs, when the larva come outside, so at every stage we will see that these individuals are quite different from the adult. But in case of human, in case of birds, they are quite similar with the parents. So this process is called metamorphosis. Means larva का pupa में और pupa का adult में convert होने का process क्या कहलाएगा? Metamorphosis. ठीक है, मतलब पूरी तरह से डेवलप होके अपने पेरेंट जैसा बन जाना, इसको हम कहेंगे मेटामॉर्फोसिस. लाइक द कन्वर्जन ऑफ प्यूपा इनटू एडल्ट मॉस्किटो, दिस इज कॉल्ड द मेटामॉर्फोसिस. लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फ्रॉग. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉग में क्या है? एग्स होते हैं. एग्स है, दे गेट हैश्ड एंड दे गेट फॉर्म अ टेडपोल. टेडपोल, इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक द फिश, एक बहुत लंबी सी टेल होती है. आफ्टरवर्ड्स इट गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू लेट टेडपोल. पहले इसमें फिन्स वगैरह ही होते हैं, बाद में इसमें थोड़े थोड़े पैर डेवलप होने लग जाते हैं, ये लेट टेडपोल. और कंटिन्यूसली स्लोली एंड स्लोली ये जो टेल है ये रिड्यूस होती रहती है, ये एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती है बॉडी फॉर इट्स डेवलपमेंट. उसके बाद में यंग फ्रॉग बनता है. यंग फ्रॉग में भी थोड़ी सी टेल होती है. ठीक है, यंग फ्रॉग कन्वर्ट होता है एडल्ट में, और एडल्ट पूरा बनने के बाद वापस एग लेइंग का प्रोसेस शुरू हो जाता है. तो यहाँ पे in this we can see that continuously the means we will see that continuously the development take place, and afterwards, after the complete development, the individual becomes similar to its parent. Okay, so this process is called metamorphosis. Okay students, so we can say that what is metamorphosis? The complete transformation of a tadpole into its adult or pupa into its adult, okay, by continuous changes in its body. This process is called metamorphosis. Okay, I hope you understand this topic. If any problem is there, then you can ask.